In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about reversed repertories. Over here in your repertory module, you have all your repertories listed, and some of these books have a reversed version, which you will find in the reference library, which we'll go to now. Now you can certainly type to search your book. If you're looking for Kent's reversed repertory, for instance, I typed the name at the top in the type to search window, and I found the book here. If you're curious to know which of your repertories have a reversed version, you can come to this 3-book icon, go to Repertory Reversed, select it, and hit OK. Now, Kent's is in the type to search window. I'm going to X out of that. And now I'm looking at all my reversed repertories. So quite a few of the repertories do have a reversed version. What is a reversed repertory? A reversed repertory is one in which you can look at one remedy and all the rubrics that contain that remedy. Let's go look for a remedy that's a little bit more well known. I typed B-O-R. I'm looking for borax. Here it is. I'm going to click on that. And now I'm looking at borax in the complete reversed repertory. And it gives me all the rubrics in which I find the remedy borax. And it gives me some other things too. I can see the grades of the rubrics. I can see the remedy count attached to the rubric. I can even see the author name. That would be the author that was responsible for putting that remedy in that rubric. So you do get a lot of information that carries over from your repertories into your reversed repertories. Not all the reversed repertories are set up the same. Some of them will have some numbers at the end of them, and I'll show you that. I'm going to scroll up to the top here, and I'm going to go into Kent's Repertory Reversed. And I'll go to About the Book, which is here. Now in Kent's you have 3 numbers you see next to each of the rubrics, and it tells you the first number in this little bracket here tells you the number of remedies that are of a higher grade. The middle number tells you the number of remedies that are the same grade, and the last number tells you the number of remedies that are a lower grade. So let's go into Kent and we'll go look for that same remedy. And so for instance, you can see anxiety riding wild downhill. That's a very well-known keynote of borax, and you can see there's only one remedy. It's the borax remedy. But there's one other remedy in that rubric that has a grade that's lower than the borax grade. So we can, if you're ever curious to know what that is, you can do that quickly. Pop over to Repertory module, go to your Kent's repertory, mind, anxiety, which I used by my 3-letter shortcut, going into sub-rubrics with my right arrow, writing, finding that one, again the sub-rubrics with my right arrow. And here it is. Serenum is the other remedy that's in this rubric in Kent's. Why would you want to use a reversed repertory? Reversed repertories are very good if you're wanting to research remedies. You can also use it to confirm your choice of a remedy after you've taken a case. You can look through the remedies rubrics and maybe you'll find some things that were also in your case, but maybe you didn't think they were important enough to repertorize, but you find some things that are confirming the choice you made. I want to also point out that the chapters in your reversed repertory are the very same order as they are in your regular repertory. So you can certainly scroll to find your chapter, but you can also come over to the left side and click to find a chapter immediately. And you can see that, for instance, Taste chapter doesn't have very many rubrics for borax and Kent's, and that can be a clue too as to whether or not you might want to use that remedy in your case, as to how well it's represented in a repertory. So I hope you enjoy exploring your reversed repertories. They all have a similar setup, but there are some individual differences. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.